Daisy, and I love to travel.
I like to explore new places, experience other culture, try different cuisines, and meet new people.
I met some friends from the Philippines. Hi!
Hello!
I want to create unforgettable moments experienced with the people that mean the most to me. Moments that turn into memories and never forgotten. Just lose myself, feeling the adventure, discover myself in a new way, and experience the unbelievable places the world has to offer. And that's what leads me to becoming a travel vlogger. To inspire you to travel as much as possible while you're still young and able. Inspire you to say yes to any adventures.
Because gaining life experience is the best way to experience life. This is Daisy and I am a traveler.